that the fresh plea has now been filed in the Supreme Court amid the ongoing NEET question paper leak. Now, what is being said that this petition that has been jointly filed by Sudhakar Singh, who is said to be a social activist, there are others as well. And when it comes to the IMA, the Indian Medical Association, and political leaders, we are also said this petition, this writ petition that has now urged the Apex Court to direct an immediate transition to a secure computer-based format for NEET examination, citing concerns over transparency, security lapses, and also integrity of the current pen and paper system following the paper leak. Let's connect with Harish on this. Harish, good morning. Wasn't this an assurance that the Education Minister himself gave that next year, 2027, there would be computer-based questions for the students there who appear for the NEET examination? What is this petition all about?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Amita. Now, this fresh petition has been filed in Supreme Court challenging the systematic failure of the National Testing Agency in conducting the NEET UG 2026. The petitioner sought a direction to Union of India to dissolve the NTA and issue directions that includes this petition, in fact, is filed by RJD MP Sudhakar Singh along with social activists and a few national spokespersons of the Indian Medical Association. They have filed the writ in Supreme Court challenging the recent notification and seeking an immediate direction for transition to a secure computer-based test framework and related relief. And the first relief sought says direct the NTA and center to conduct the NEET through computer-based test mode instead of existing pen and paper mode in reconduct process scheduled to be held on 21st June. As this court may deem fit, and also prepare and place before the Supreme Court a time-bound implementation roadmap for transition of NEET UG to a fully computer-based test framework, along with details regarding infrastructure development, examination centers, cyber security mechanism.
So one petition that said and sought for the dissolution of the NTA, the National Testing Agency, that was by the United Doctors Front. Now we are looking at certain activists who have now come forth and are now seeking transparency within the system in the way that students appear for that NEET examination. Thank you very much for the moment, Harish. Because in the meantime, when we talk about the investigation that has been taking place till now, about 9 arrests that has been made on part of the CBI on the part of the NEET UG paper leak, that is now picking pace, because what is being said, main of the accused that we are looking at, identified as Manisha Wagmare, who is said to be the key accused in the conspiracy when it comes to paper leak, and other accused and said to be public servants associated directly with the NTA. That means they had direct access to the question paper and had received the question paper and the answers on the 27th of April. So what is being said that it was this accused Manisha Wagmare who is said to be the one who provided the same when it comes to the question paper to another key accused, and that is Dhananjay Lokhande, for money. So this is where, when it comes to PV Kulkarni, also a chemistry professor who's been taken into custody. So majority of them, what we are now looking at, far as the probe that has been intensifying is coming in from Maharashtra. Now they are all in custody, and this is what we are now looking at. Manisha Wagmare, Manisha Mandhare. Wagmare is said to be an accomplice of the said professor, and said to be part of the alleged mastermind, because part of the NDA panel setting, especially when it comes to the chemistry paper is concerned, he seems to have dictated the question papers to the coaching students. They were handwritten notes, and apparently he charged lakhs of them, money from them when it comes to leaking of that question paper. So special coaching classes that were also held. So the kingpin, the mastermind, and the co-accused, the accomplice, and there are others as well who are said to be part of this money trail that has also now been investigated on part of the CBI. And 10-day CBI custody is something that the CBI has now gotten of the accused as the probe continues to remain underway. We'll get you more on that back after a very short break.